What you are looking at is Grandpa's old golden watch, all repaired. Now, I don't know if you can see it running, or maybe you can hear it. I don't know. Can you see that little hand running around on the bottom there? I hope it ain't too fuzzy. But it's the first time in decades, and I mean a lot of decades, this thing is actually working now. Can you hear it? But I felt it was my duty to go out and pay for this thing to get fixed. The only problem is you got to wind this thing up every day if you want it to work. That's okay. I'm probably going to let it unwind all the way and then just cover it. It's got this glass globe that goes over the top of it, which you really can't see too much, but it's going to go over like that. And so this is what it looks like. And you saw it here running. And it's been running good. So I just wanted to document this. Today's the 14th of August, 2012.